Come this way. See if I can get you off your circuit. Come on.
You guys probably enjoy days like today when just a few kids are.
Well, it is pleasant. It's calm then.
Yeah.
You know, it's nice. Yeah.
Sequoia.
Well, and I think in the winter maybe some of the animals are a little more active, and the ones outside even are more active, perhaps.
Look at this. Says,
That's
oh.
good for you. You're very gentle. Very nice.
You like him?
Very nice.
You like?
Very gentle.
You like that guinea pig?
Very nice. Very gentle. That's good.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Oh, here comes the big tortoise. He has to go home now. He has to go. Oh, real easy. Real easy. Yeah, I'm going to put these guys down because it's time for me to go home too. So, watch. She's trying to coax him to go back in the under.
He's too big to pick up.
Oh, he is way too big to pick up. Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
Come on.
Sequoia, what is that big thing?
Big turtle.
What is that big thing?